Hello all, welcome to my channel Tech Research, and in today's video we are going to see how you can block ads on YouTube using a new Google Chrome extension. YouTube's ads are very annoying and we tried different ways. In my previous video I have shown one of the way where you can block your YouTube ads, but sometimes it works and sometimes probably not. But in this video a new extension of Google Chrome came, that is uBlock Origin. With that, hopefully we can stop YouTube ads at least on Google Chrome. And this method doesn't work on mobile, but still it is helpful for a Google Chrome extension browser. So let's go and check it out how it works in today's video. So this is the blocker, that is uBlock Origin. So we will just add it to Chrome and see if it works to stop our YouTube's ad. I'll just provide the link in the description for your reference. Let's go ahead and do it. Add extension, and yes, it has been added. We have received the message that uBlock Origin has been added to Chrome. So let's go and refresh our one of the video that I was trying to watch on YouTube. So for example, yeah, it's working. Now you can see we cannot see ad on any of these channels, which is very inspiring and very good. Now you can listen to your music without getting annoyed. You can watch your any of the YouTube content without having ads using this extension browser. So hopefully I made it your day by blocking YouTube ads using this extension of uBlock Origin. So before leaving, please subscribe to my channel Tech Research for updated notifications. See you next video. Till then, take care. Goodbye.